English to Pashto short sentences. I love you. زستا سره مینا کوم. I love you. When you smile. کله چې ته مسکی شي. When you smile. She ignored me. هغې را باندې ځان نانګاره کو. She ignored me. She did not see you. هغې ته نه لیدلې. She did not see you. Believe it or not. که منې او که نه منې. Believe it or not. It's out of my reach. دا زما د ګوتو نه بهر دی. It's out of my reach. At least. کم سے کم. At least. You should have told me. تا لره ماته ویل پکار و. You should have told me. He has a girlfriend. د هغه یو محبوبه ده. He has a girlfriend. I don't think. ماته نه ښکاري. I don't think. What happened? څه چل وشو. What happened? My car broke down. زما ګاډی خراب شو. My car broke down. Where? کوم ځای. Where? On the way. پلاره. On the way. Cold wind is blowing. یخ هوا چلیږي. Cold wind is blowing. Outside. بهر. Outside. Needless to worry. پزول خفه کیږه ما. Needless to worry. Everything will be alright. هر څه به ټیک شي. Everything will be alright. Why is he crying? هغه ولې جاړي. Why is he crying? Dad scolded him. هغه ابو رټلی دی. Dad scolded him. Why did Dad scold him? هغه ابو ولې ورټو. Why did Dad scold him? He is grumpy. هغه بدمزاجه دی. He is grumpy. Leave the door ajar. دروازه نیمه کولاو پریده. Leave the door ajar. A fearless girl. نره جینۍ. A fearless girl. She is a fearless girl. هغه نره جینۍ ده. She is a fearless girl. I need this job. ما ته دا نوکری پکار ده. I need this job. You don't deserve this job. تا د دې نوکری لایق نه یې. You don't deserve this job. He got drenched in rain. هغه په باران کې لوند شو. He got drenched in rain. Now he is feeling feverish. وس هغه ته لږه تبه محسوسیږي. Now he is feeling feverish. What do you love? ستا څه خوښ دي. What do you love? I love your face. زما ستا مخ خوښ دی. I love your face. What do you want to be? ته څه جوړېدل غواړې. What do you want to be? I want to be a doctor. زه ډاکټر جوړېدل غواړم. I want to be a doctor. What do you want? ته څه غواړې. What do you want? I don't understand. زه پوه نه شوم. I don't understand. Childhood. وړوکوالی. Childhood. From inside. دا دننې نه. From inside. I am safe. زه په امن یم. I am safe. It is enough. دا پوره دی. It is enough. It is important. دا اهم دی. It is important. That was your time. هغه ستا وخت و. That was your time. Catch me if you can. که ته چرې ما نیوی شي نو ومې نیسه. Catch me if you can. You are lazy. ته سست یې. You are lazy. Show me your passport. خپل پاسپورت راته وښایه. Show me your passport. Any question? څه سوال. Any question? How is the weather? موسم څنګه دی. How is the weather? The weather is nice. موسم ښه دی. The weather is nice. What is the time please? جناب څه ټایم دی. What is the time please? It is 20 to 9. 9 بجو ته شل منټ دی. It is 20 to 9. Why have you come late? ته ناوخته ولې راغلی. Why have you come late? I was busy. زه مصروفه وم. I was busy. It is an uphill task. دا ډیر ګران کار دی. It is an uphill task. Do not worry. فکر مکوه. Do not worry. This is my baggage. دا زما سامان دی. This is my baggage. Do you want some rest? آیا ته لږ آرام کول غواړې. Do you want some rest? Yes, I need some rest. او مالا لږ آرام پکار دی. Yes, I need some rest.